Do you know the wrong seat cover can make your drive uncomfortable, damage your seats, and even waste your money? Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to choose the right seat cover for your car. Whether you want comfort, style, or protection, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for. Practical suggestions. First, think about your main need. Do you want to protect your seats from wear and tear? Are you looking for extra comfort on long drives? Or maybe you just want to upgrade the style of your car's interior. Knowing your priority makes the decision easier. Explaining tools in a practical way. Now, let's talk about materials. Leather or leatherette is stylish, easy to clean, and gives your car a premium feel. Great for people who want luxury. Fabric covers are breathable, comfortable in hot or cold weather, and budget-friendly. Perfect if you want something simple and practical. Neoprene covers are water-resistant and protect well against spills and pets. Ideal for families or outdoor enthusiasts. Quick tips, always check if the cover is custom fit or universal fit. Custom fit seat covers cost more, but they hug your seats perfectly. Universal covers are cheaper, but may not fit as neatly. Also, look for covers that are easy to install and remove for cleaning. Cost comparison for clarity. On average, fabric seat covers start from around $30 to $60. Neoprene and mid-range options usually cost $80 to $150. Leather or high-end custom covers can go anywhere from $200 up to $500 or more. Think about your budget, but also the value you're getting in terms of durability and comfort. So, the right seat cover depends on your lifestyle, your budget, and the look you want for your car. Choose wisely and you'll enjoy every ride even more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.